Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Renee here again. I'm in the middle of half a tree and I'm visiting a store that was once called Half Price, but it is now called Multimax. So I'm heading inside just to check out their home items that they have. I know it's a store and these are a few products that they have. I hope you enjoy this video and just to see some of the stuff that you can get here for the home. It's Christmas time now. These can be lovely gifts that you can purchase for your loved ones and all. And if you are new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you love these type of shopping videos, DIY, room makeover tips and tricks, you get it all here. So the first place I stopped by was this area where they had these bowls. Now for the Christmas you're gonna need some bowls, and these are great gifts that you can pair. So you can set up like a set of the green, you can even do some with different colors, and you get them like $235 for one, $250 and those prices. You have this one here for $405. So if you're looking for some new bowl set for the home, you have short on soup bowl, porridge bowl, any type of bowl you're short of, you can get it here. They have plates as well that you can get for $495. So these, as I said, these are great gifts you can pair for some persons. So you can get even one of the plate, a bowl and so, or even a set. So you can pair them based on the person family size. They have different shape as well. Like these aren't bad, $375. So you can always get your glassware and stuff. For a small little store like this, these bowls are really nice and the price aren't bad. Wow, look at these with tasty on them. Just imagine you give someone 4 of this. A blue, a peach color, a green and a white. And even if you put it with some of these cups here, not bad at all. So these are some great gift ideas that I'm just sharing with you, and just where you can purchase some of these lovely stuff as well. So these have some animal print on them, such as the horse, the koala. So if you have children that love certain animals, they can get it. And for the coffee drinkers, look at these mugs here. For persons that love coffee, $215. This is a nice coffee cup that you can purchase. And guess what? These mugs have them in different color, different words on them, and they have them in Starbucks as well. So you know, have some persons that I know love coffee and would love some mug like these. Guess what? Try to pair some of these mugs for them if you know you have some coffee drinkers, and just gift them. They will love it. You have some tea drinkers out there that love tea and love coffee. If you're looking for wine glass, they have some here, $530. You can't be short on wine glass, especially when you want to relax. And look at this cup here. I keep on saying cup or mug. Mug is the glass and cup is the plastic, right? Let me know what you call these, if it's mug or cup. Grandma. I'm sure there's a grandma out there that would love this. But you have some grandma that don't drink out of glass like that. So it depends on what your grandma love. If they love stuff like this, come on and purchase it for a grandma. It doesn't have to be your grandma, but it can be any grandma. They have this toilet rack and these bathroom caddy as well, shower caddy. So the bathroom rack, the shower caddy first is $2,495. And then the toilet rack here, I'm trying to see where the price is. So the price around here, $5,670. So if you're looking for over the toilet rack, you can get it here. And they have these as well. They have some little stuff that you can grab. Shower mats. So if you want these shell looking shower mats, they have them in white. They have them in different colors that you can come on and choose from if you're into these type of stuff. The non-slip mats, so for persons who have like those tile bathroom and they are slippery, you can get it here for $1,100 as well. And they have these welcome mats. Wow, these are a bit neutral, these are a bit different. and these are for $1,240. So if you're looking for a welcome mat, they have it here as well. So as I mentioned, half price, most persons still call it half price, but half price was like a clothes store that was here where you get stuff half price, but it's now a multi-purpose store. Maybe that's why it named Multi-Max, where you get a wide variety of stuff. They still have the clothes section at the front of the store, but at the back of the store they have these home stuff. So if you come on, let them know that Renzystyle sent you, so that they can know they are getting free advertisement. If you're looking for small kitchen gadgets, they have these vegetable peelers. So vegetable peelers you can get for like $355. They have for $345. So it depends on what type. They have the set with the peeler, the scissors, and some other stuff. These here are for $410. These are like some scoop. And they have the lemon squeezer as well here that you can get. So they have some little gadgets that you can purchase. So for persons who love to shop on Amazon, see it here in Jamaica, you can get some little gadgets instead of purchasing on Amazon. If you're looking, I have to get one of these. I need one of them. $150. I do have to purchase it, just to put at the side of my, on the counter at the side of my stove, so I can rest the hot pot and stuff. And also they have pot holders, strainers, and colanders. So many stuff they have here for good prices. So ensure when you come Halfway Tree side, if you're out of town and you're coming Halfway Tree, come to the Multi-Max store right across from, what should I say now? It's across from Transport Center. When you stand at JN, you can look over the store. Look at the video, you have an idea where it is. I show you the video where exactly it is. So cutting boards and all you can get. As I said, baking trays, baking tin. There are so many stuff here that you can come on and grab. Organizing stuff such as your hangers. There are so many things in here. Over here you can get this tray with plates as well. So guys, as I share with you, they have so many stuff that you can come on and get. This is like a jug set. Wow, I'm not a fan of this just because of the blue, but if you love something like this, you can come on and get it. It's a plastic water jug for $1,100. This looks so summery. Imagine in the summer you have this outside and you're serving stuff with a little picnic. That would be good for the summer. Around this section they have these bins, $895. They have them in different sizes as well. So if you're searching for a small bin for your bathroom, kitchen, or wherever in the home, they have some here that you can come on and get. $545 for these light colored ones. So as I said, if you're searching for some bins, you can come on and get it here. It's like here's a store where you can get little of anything. Stool, $1,750. And you know your girl always tell you about containers. It cannot be too much. Try to get some organizing containers so you can organize your food in your fridge. You can give persons when they come over to visit. Just know you might not get it back. Once you give them those containers, I'm sure you might not get it back. It would be, you would have to work very hard for them. You'd have to remind them every minute, please remember my dish, please remember my dish, please remember. Let me know if you're a person that give persons food in containers and just never get them back. So you just have to keep storing, or you just buy those reusable dish that they serve food in, and then you keep those and give them. So when they don't give you back, you know that that's fine. If you're searching for frying pans, you can get some frying pan here as well. They are non-stick, they are picture frames, and these are different colors as well for $3,130. So if you're into these things, if you want a large picture frame, you know, for the Christmas you might be decorating, you want to fill up those empty walls, $1,300 up you can get picture frames. And they have so many other organizing canister set. This one is for $5,200, and you know you can store different stuff in these. It depends on what you want it to store in. They have this mini juicer here as well. It's portable, 2,550, and you can get a pot set and so on. These are some plastic seasoning box. It's $840 each. So this set of 3 is for $840. I'm not a fond of the color. But if you're into the color, you can always come and get it. And if you love stuff like organizing and so on, they have these canisters for $570. So guys, as I mentioned, they have some little stuff that you would normally go online to purchase. You don't have to. They are here, and some of the prices are really good. So if you see something that caught your eye, ensure you come and get it. No, this I have a love and hate for. I currently have one, and if you watch my last kitchen cleaning video, you know exactly what is the issue about that dish drainer. It is rusting now, and I need to change it. So let me know where I can get a nice dish drainer that is real stainless steel, because some of these are saying stainless steel and they are not. They have curtains here, 20% off window curtains, and they have bed sheets as well in double. They have queen, and they have some kings as well, 3,250. So you see, your home can look good without spending a heap of money, and that is what I love to share on this channel. You can get your home decorating stuff, make your home look good, feel good, smell good on a budget. Guys, this is it for now. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it very useful. If you love anything here, you can come on and get it. Tell them I sent you, Renzystyle. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.